Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture. In this we will see how to create a class and add student in Google Classroom. So we will open our Gmail account of G Suite, whatever account we have got it from Aro, and then we will just click on to these 9 dots, that is Google Apps, and from there we will click on to the classroom. We have this icon for classroom and we'll be clicking onto it. Once we click onto that, we have a provision of making classes by this plus sign. I have already made the class. Now I will just show you how to make few more classes. So we have to click on this plus sign and create class option. You have to write the class name. So if I am making for 6th, so 6th, let it be section A. And subject you need to choose, like English. I am English teacher, so I'll be teaching English, so I have chosen English, and then you will click on to create. It will take few minutes to create the class. It has created the class. Now there are two options through which you can add your students, right? The first option is, this is the class code. You can just copy it and send it to your students so that they can join the class using Google Classroom through this code. Fine. Now, but in this you have one problem, that you always have to track which student have added themselves and which student have not added. And here you need to add the students, and the students have to use their G Suite ID only. They cannot use the other Gmail ID. So what you can do is, you can go to people. Once you have created the class, you are inside the class, you can go to people here, and from here you can click on to this plus sign just in front of student, that is invite student option. You will click on to this plus sign. Now you have to type in the emails. So as I have sent you the email of the G Suite, you can just copy in those mail IDs and paste it there at a go. Like, I'll just show you how. I told you that I have made 6th A, so I can just search 6th A in this whole list. Yes, I've got the 6th A. So I'll copy from here because 6th A starts from here, and I will paste till this. So Control C, and then I'll go to my classroom there. I'll click here and Control V. It will have this kind of line here. You just click here and then click on to invite. Now all your students have got the invitation. Okay, once they will open their G Suite ID and click on to the option which you have given them for the invite, they will join the class automatically. Okay, so I will just show you the example, how the teachers have joined one of the classes what I created. Like, I had created one teacher group, so if I click on to this group and click on to people, so there are few teachers who have selected that invite icon, so they are into the group. So here now you can just see that how many students have added in this sense, and then you can let know the students who have not added to add themselves. Okay, once I have created the class, now I will just set the privilege. So I will click onto this class. So the class code is here, and the Google Meet link is also here. So if you want to send to the class, you can also send. Like, for example, you'll just click on to that, generate meet link. You have this link, you will copy. Okay, and then you can save this, and you can send on to something like, you can just paste it here and then send it to the students, so they can just click on to this itself and then can join your meeting. Now if you want to set some settings to the class, like privileges, what we talked about, so you'll click on to the 6th day first and then go to the setting icon. Here you can change the description of the class and the here, so you can also see the code from here or reset it. Then other things, once the students have joined in, you can disable it. The stream, you have three options what students can do. So only teacher can post or comment, students can only comment, student can post or comment. So you can just change it according to your preference. Classwork on the stream, it has three, that you can hide the notifications, show the attachment details, whatever they are sending, and these are some options, like you have this Meet, Google Meet, links, and then grading, they're asking what you want, total point, weighted points, or overall grading is to be required. Then add grade category can be added from here. So this is the page where you can change the settings. You can just close this, and this is the code. If you want to see the code in larger form, you can just click on to this square kind of button and then you can copy it from here and send it to the respective class. But it will be better if you join it through the mail ID, invite it, the students through mail ID, so that they only join through valid ID given from R. Thank you.